Hello everyone, welcome to this math video where we are going to explore statistics in real life, and we do want to compare four. In this video we are going to compare four statistical diagrams, and the first one will be pictogram, which I'm going to use red color, and this will be my pictogram. Okay, so for this pictogram, what is the advantages? Yep, very easy to read. I'm pretty sure you all will agree with me. It is easy to interpret as well. So, for example, one teddy bear represents 10 students. So, in this case, the watermelon 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, there are 50 students. It can be visually appealing because we can use many different image or picture to represent certain number of quantity of in this case students. But there are disadvantages of this statistical diagram. For example, this, is it really half, which means 5 students, or do we want to be really accurate? Is this accurate? What about 2 students? Am I going to cut this into by half? But how 1 over 5? How do we do that? We can't really do it. So it is really hard to quantify a partial symbol. Accuracy is low. Wow, if I were to draw this teddy bear, oh my god, it is so difficult to draw by hand. And if there are many classes, or in this case, classes means many different fruits, so it is actually not very suitable. Alright, so let's move on to bar graph, blue color. Bar graph will be this. Oh, it's very easy to draw as compared to a pictogram. Easy to read, same as pictogram, but it is also easy to compare differences between the classes or between the things that we want to compare. Okay, and we can even show subgroups of each class. But there's one major disadvantage: percentages we cannot see. This one we have to calculate ourselves. Okay, that is the disadvantage of bar graph. The next one that we want to see and discuss about, or at least to let me go through it, will be pie chart. And where is my pie chart? Pie chart is here. Come, let me just bring the pie chart. Oops, sorry. Let me just bring the pie chart over. Adjust this a little bit. Come, pie chart is here. Okay, pie chart. Okay, it can be really visually appealing, and we can actually see a part to whole. That means we know roughly what's the proportion easily. Then we can decide the majority, things like that. However, if I were to compare this with, let's move one side first. This is the pie chart. But if I were to compare this with a bar graph, the blue color, bar graph can read the frequency, that means the number easily. Pie chart cannot. We can also cannot read the difference between the two classes easily. We cannot. because there's no number for us to just compare easily the difference. And again, this one, if there is a lot of classes or items of subjects, it is not suitable. And to find the percentage or the proportion, we still have to calculate the angle of each settle. So this is the disadvantage. The percentage is still not easily seen, although it does give us a good visual, okay, a representation of it, but the specific exact value we cannot find. So it only provide an estimate. Okay, and the last. So I'm going to move this away. Line graph here. Okay, good. Line graph is here. This one, come, let's move out a little bit since we only look at line graph now. So this is one of the example of a line graph. Oh, it's very easy to draw, easy to read. This is the most important thing. Trend. We can actually see whether the trend, is it always increasing? Is it always decreasing? And therefore we can use this for prediction. The disadvantage, only time related data then is applicable for line graph. We have come to the end of this video. So if you like this video, please feel free to click on the subscribe button. Mr. Ryan Tan here. Always happy to share with you how to solve math problems.